Welcome to an introduction to work camping. Work camping is a unique lifestyle that combines working and camping. It involves living in a recreational vehicle, typically at a campground or RV park, while working a variety of jobs. Many people choose to work camp as a way to travel and see different parts of the country while earning money to support their lifestyle. Work camping positions can be quite diverse, including anything from park rangers and campground hosts to retail and customer service positions. Some work campers choose to work in a specific field, such as maintenance or housekeeping, while others take on a variety of different jobs. Work camping is popular among retirees or semi-retirees who are looking for a way to supplement their income and continue to travel. However, it's also a way for people who like the idea of traveling but still want to have a steady income. The lifestyle of a work camper can be very flexible. This allows for a great balance of work and leisure time. Many work campers are able to set their own schedule and work as much or as little as they'd like. This allows them to explore new areas and meet new people while still earning an income to support their lifestyle. Many RV parks and campgrounds will provide you with an RV site for free or at a low cost. Sweet! Additionally, living in an RV provides a unique way to save money on housing expenses, as the RV serves as both a home and a means of transportation. However, the lifestyle also has its challenges. Work campers need to be adaptable, comfortable living in a small space, and able to grapple with the unexpected. They also need to be prepared to confront the challenges of living on the road, such as navigating unfamiliar areas and dealing with different weather conditions. Positions are available with various organizations such as private campgrounds, state and local parks, national parks, BLM campgrounds, and more. You could even set your sights on a renowned national park such as Yellowstone or the Grand Canyon. RVs come in all shapes and sizes. There are two primary styles of RVs: trailers, which can be pulled behind pickup trucks such as bumper pulls and fifth wheels, and motorhomes, which are self-contained homes on wheels. Motorhomes come in 3 different class types depending on your needs and preferences. Overall, work camping can be a great way for people who love the outdoors and traveling to earn a living while exploring new places. It's a way to have a unique work experience as well as a flexible lifestyle. Whether you're a retiree looking for a way to supplement your income or a young person looking for a new experience, work camping can be a fantastic way to have a meaningful and adventure-filled life. It's a lifestyle that allows you to enjoy the open road and see new sights while still getting a paycheck. Where do I sign up?